Hello and welcome to Friday's workshop with Alfreds in ScandiPWA office. And today we'll talk a little bit about the latest updates. So, first you can notice that we're standing in some kind of weird studio. And why? Well, this is because we have worked hard to record a very big amount of videos for you guys. Starting from next week, we will start to release the educational materials in format of videos, one per day, one per week. We're not sure yet, but we have 20 videos to share with you, and they cover all topics we want. So, in example, here's my amazing list of those videos. Not showing you it. Showing you now, not. So basically, we covered the project installation. We covered all the tools for working with the project, the ESLint configuration, the VS Code configuration, the Xdebug, PHP Storm, whatever. Everything for you to start efficiently working. So the basic interactions with the containers, how to change the GraphQL. So we gave you some information on resolver development, and then we showcased how you can connect the resolver with your front end. Then we gave introduction to theme, to files of the theme, to approaches, how to work, how to debug, how to find elements which you need. Then we shared you the best practices regarding the styles, React, everything in the project. Then we created a how to contribute video with a guide and the setup instructions which you can follow, the upgrade ScandiPWA, and the example on how to implement this is the list of videos that we recorded, and it was pretty big and pretty ambitious. I worked very hard during this week in this studio. We have two scenes. This one, we were writing on a board. We were writing something in a computer. I was showcasing that. This was an amazing time. And during the previous week, we were working on the bug fixes. So there is a new release, which is 2.10.0. And in this release, we have a lot of bug fixes and small features implemented, and also we can look at it right now, and I will also add some information about the next release, which will be much more interesting, and the next release, you won't believe, will be just mind-blowing. So the feature breakdown, well, you can see some information here. And the bug fixes, well, that's a list for a single page. So a lot of bugs were fixed, and thanks community for contributing some bug fixes. It was a pleasure to get some pull requests and to merge them in. And finally, I would like to say about the upcoming things. Well, there are multiple of enterprise features, Magento enterprise features incoming, like Page Builder, which is finished. But we are moving it to extension format. The gift cards also finished, moving into extension format. And we are finally making our first extension, and the first one is already done, the PayPal. Now we're moving the GTM into extensions, and the extension mechanism itself starts to grow and take a full shape. And soon we will share the extension mechanism with our community and our extension providers, so stay tuned. And this is an amazing time to live in, and I'm very proud of being here currently. And the next minor release of ScandiPWA will contain multiple features of Magento, like compare products. We'll have better pagination, and once again a lot of bugs will be fixed. So we are focusing on stability currently, so we want to have the stable version 2.x without any bugs, common bugs which we know about. And we plan to start releasing to release the Meyer version 3.0, which won't be different in terms of internals, so the migration will be simple. The biggest difference will be the exports and the extensions which will appear. So the 3.x will be a version with extensions, so let's stay tuned, and hopefully we will get to next week will be very exciting for you. So thank you guys for watching. It was a pleasure to be here with you today, and see you in the next Friday, or even earlier if you will watch our videos.